Hello, welcome to Dubai Vet Talks, all about veterinary career in Dubai, part 2. So now we have an idea about how to get a job and also which position you can work. Is less than 5 years experience, vet tech. More than 5 years experience as a vet.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are the documents required to get a vet's license in Dubai?
So originally, 7, 8 years ago, we had like a really massive attestation process. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it was like 10th certificate, 12th certificate, your degree certificate,
Oh.
everything has to be like attested
Uh.
from, back home.
Oh.
And then coming here, you have to go through the ministry
Again.
Yeah, again.
Mm.
Yeah. So, and then you go to Ministry of Higher Education, you get the equivalency while your certificate get genuinity from the university. So, it was like really tedious, like around 6 months of time. So, but at the same time, you don't have to get an offer letter from a clinic to get these equivalency or attestations.
Really?
Yeah.
So even if you're just staying in Dubai with your partner or like family, you can just apply for equivalency even if you're not working anywhere.
Yes, exactly.
But the current scenario is different because you have to get hired by some employer. So if you have more than 5 years of experience, they will consider you as a candidate who is eligible to get the MOCA license.
Okay. If MOCA is like Ministry of
Climate Change and Environment,
yeah.
And that's like a DHL license. Veterinarians have MOCA license in UAE. So to get that, if you are less than 5 years of experience, then you have to also hired by a company, but you can work as a vet tech or vet nurse. So actually, DVM holders can work as a vet technician if they have 2 years of experience. So after graduation, if you are already 2 years, you can get a vet tech license. But licensing is depend upon the employer. Yeah, if employer want to give you a vet tech license, then you are lucky enough, right? But most of the company, they don't spend much to get a vet tech license because it's not making any revenue for the company.
Earlier, we used to have something called the assistant vet license.
But currently it's not.
So it was like you said, rather than having a vet tech license, what we had was an assistant vet license. So if you have like 2 years experience anywhere, you can get an assistant vet license. For those with the assistant vet, like the benefit is that you can assist the vets in the surgeries, the consults, so like you can like build up like slowly.
Yeah, you learn.
Until you reach like the 3 more years, it's like accumulating the knowledge and everything. While you have also already a assistant vet license.
Okay. So what we are basically meaning that you cannot get the license from sitting in India or like immediately after getting a job here. You can only do the procedures that will help you to get a license, right?
Yeah. So you have to get hired by the employer
First,
So if the documents and everything is ready, so they know that you have like 5 years experience. So I'm talking about like working as a vet. So if they know that you have all the qualifications, you have like 5 years
Experience attested, graduation attested, transcript attested, all this ready, and then they will give you time for getting your equivalency, right? That's what.
So then you have to go through this website to
apply and get the equivalency. Once you have the equivalency, also the employer can apply for a license, a vet license.
So here, I don't know, all of me, including myself and my colleagues, we are all only by the employer, but we get the license. Employer is the one who is applying into the ministry.
So for a license.
For the license, there is like licensing exam, right?
Yes.
So once the employer file an application with the ministry, so we can get an appointment for the ministry licensing.
I can explain you the process of getting an equivalency. You can do it by yourself online. For that, you have to first download an application called UAE Pass. You can download it from Play Store or App Store. So this is a government application which have all the information about you once you get signed into it. So once you download the UAE Pass, you can log in with your Emirates ID number. Emirates ID is like Aadhaar card. You will receive it once the employer process your visa. Once you register in UAE Pass, then log in to mohesr.gov.in. This is the website that you have to apply for the equivalency. Then go to services. Then you can choose the option individuals. There you can see the recognition of higher education qualification issued from outside the UAE. Then you have to create a new request. There you can see choose one of our partners below, like Quadra Bay Data Flow. You can also see the verification fees is 350 dirhams, and also it will take up to 18 working days. If I select Data Flow, it will go directly to a page showing that you have to sign in with UAE Pass. It's written in Arabic, and if you click that option, you have to type your Emirates ID number or the linked UAE mobile number. Then you can log in through UAE Pass. It will show a number, and the same number will be showing in your phone application as well, like a verification, like a email verification. So once you log into UAE Pass, then it will take you directly to the page of data flow. You have to enter your personal details and also clear copy of graduation certificate, transcript, and also entry exit report.